Phoenix is facing some of the biggest heat and water challenges in the country. What are you doing to rethink your infrastructure systems in the wake of these challenges, and how is technology helping?
Phoenix is really on the forefront of adaptation. We have an Office of Heat Response and Mitigation that thinks year-round about heat. How can we invest in advanced building materials, technologies, even public art that will help us adapt around heat? We're trying to modernize our building codes so that we can use advanced materials that will help us have more comfortable buildings with lower costs of cooling. We are blessed to have a wonderful, resilient water system with multiple sources and extensive storage. But at the same time, we're investing more than $1 billion in advanced water purification. So can we recycle water and help that go even further? We want to plan the city of the future, and we know it has to be a city that thinks about heat and water scarcity and plans ahead.
How can digital twins, sensors, and data help Phoenix respond to some of the big climate challenges that you're facing?
So the city of Phoenix has invested in a digital twin with our partners. We work extensively with our local university as well as one of our great downtown organizations to develop strong modeling. The modeling has helped us think more sophisticatedly about housing. How do we look at the areas that have a real challenge around heat, where people are particularly vulnerable? In our community, that may involve mobile homes in particular, and find solutions. We've also modeled our traffic patterns, including downtown traffic, to think about how we might better move vehicles in a more sustainable way. We have sensors throughout the city for challenges including around flooding. Even though I'm talking a lot about heat and drought, when we get rain, it tends to be more intense lately. And so we also have to plan for flooding and understanding how the water would move through the city and how we can keep our residents safe.
You established the city's Office of Heat Response and Mitigation. How is Phoenix addressing greening the city and leveraging technology to bring down the heat?
So we have mapped out the city and we understand literally where the hottest corner in Phoenix is. We know what building materials contribute more and less to heat, and that helps us make better decisions. We're trying to have good sensors on the ground, but also use satellite data, including from the federal government, so that we can plan for the future, but also change the future. I'm really excited to have the Office of Heat Response and Mitigation. I wanted it as part of our permanent government in the city of Phoenix so that we could say we're thinking about heat year-round. It's been a great place for innovative residents and employees to go with solutions. So many of our best ideas come from people who are on the front line. So our firefighters say we're tired of rescuing folks who are hiking in the heat. Can we pre-position ice and water? Can we invest in more drinking fountains? Some of these things are such low-hanging fruit. At the same time, we're doing big changes in public infrastructure, how we build our streets and design our buildings to adapt for heat. And then we're having fun too. We did a great public art challenge in every part of our city where we have public art that incorporates shade and beautiful sculpture. That has helped us celebrate what makes Phoenix unique while also making it more comfortable.